Price reduced. Price reduced. What is happening here? If you're selling your home, you certainly don't want to see one of these in front of your house. Hi, it's Gary Evans with Evans Realty Group. And pricing your home correctly is just one of our 16 key marketing systems that we use to get your home sold fast for top dollar. You want to make sure that you have a solid pricing strategy no matter who you're working with. Why? Why is that important? Because your home would stay on the market longer. People would say, what is wrong with that house? Why is it still on the market? Why are they taking price reductions? That's what they're thinking. What's wrong with it? Well, with our 16 key marketing systems, our pricing strategy, our homes sell faster and for more money than your average agent. So we want to let you know about that today. For a free report on the 10 questions to ask any listing agent that you're considering hiring, just go to www.reportsbygary.com and ask for the free report, 10 questions for any agent. We'll get that right out to you. We're also on a mission to raise $10,000 for Texas Children's Hospital, so your referrals and your business really do help. Thank you so much for doing that. If you like this information, if it's found it helpful, please like it, share it with a friend, get it out there. It could help someone. So we want to thank everyone for watching because we don't want you to have the price reduced in front of your home. So we're going to be talking to each one of you folks again real soon.